Zone 1 is all about keeping it lean, keeping it clean, and keeping it green. Remember, Zone 1 is 5 to 30 feet out from your home, and the idea is to remove the potential heat transferring from your surrounding vegetation leading to your home. When we talk about Zone 1, water plays an important role because either the moisture in the material is going to beat the heat or the heat is going to beat the moisture. Whoever wins, wins. Keeping the fuel source in Zone 1 small, clean, and really green is key here. Even though you can mitigate Zone 1 once and review it later, this should really be part of your normal maintenance plan since it's only 30 feet from your home. This means making sure your grasses are cut down, there's no shrubs that are wild and out of control, and again, making sure it's all nice and clean. Also, be mindful to remove anything around your propane tank. Remember, it's not the flame we want to stop, it's the heat transfer. For example, if you have a line of junipers and you want to get distance between them because they're highly flammable. If you're a fan of them and love them, I recommend you don't have a 30-foot line of them, but break it into 3 10-foot lines with space in between them and surround the bottom with rock. Another important note in Zone 1 is to clean out the dead stuff. In other words, you don't want dead fuel in with your living fuel. The dead fuel will burn fast and hot enough to burn what's living, so it's best to clean out the dead material. Taking action in Zone 1 is not about weed eating every day. It really boils down to maintenance, good lawn care, and knowing for yourself how to reduce the heat next to and around your house. That's the big picture. Be sure to download your Zone 1 action plan here, follow along, and let's get it done. As always, get your family or a friend involved in your defensible space. With Zone 0 and Zone 1 mitigated, you've done more for yourself and your loved ones to protect yourselves and your home than you'll ever know. If you're curious about the other zones, that's all about making separation in the canopy and the trees, because in those areas, what's done above is just as important on what's done on the ground. These zones typically require more advanced support to mitigate those areas. So if you need help or have questions about your defensible space, that's why we're here. Reach out to us today or